Hey guys, here is a Huawei watch GT2e, the sport version of smartwatches. So there is no Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, GPS, SIM card, nano SIM card, a SIM card. Only has a Bluetooth 4.2. This is the budget device uh, for sports. Uh, it's around $200 or less. So uh, here is the actual model. Huawei Watch GT2e model is HCTB19 graphic black one with the black floral streamer strap. Okay, let's check it out. Here we go. It looks very cool. It's equipped with an AMOLED screen, 1.39. Wow, it's fantastic. As you can see, black color. Heart rate sensor. It's cool. I like it. USB Type-C charger. Cool. Documentation, quick start guide, warranty card, and this is the only things in the box. Okay, let's turn it on. Here we go. Huawei. Wow, it's really cool. So, aluminum frame with the back plastic and rubber waist strap. Check it out. It's really cool. AMOLED display, as I said, 4 GB of internal storage and 16 megabytes of RAM. Pairing, I need to pair with a phone. Okay. And here we go. Huawei Health. Wow, it's the text. Can you see it? Because my Bluetooth is turned on. Before a Pro. Okay, pair. Now it's paired. As you can see. Here is the menu, flashlight.
I'm here.
Display, brightness, I'll set to the maximum brightness. Wow, it's really cool and lightweight, not heavy. Here is the mode for sport. Fast light, okay. Alarm time is stopwatch. Breathing exercises, stress test, sleep mode. Here is the full activity you can watch. I forgot this device is waterproof resistant up to 15 meters, 5 atmospheres. Don't worry to swim with it. It's really cool. It has a changeable strap. You can change color strap without problem. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my quick review of a Huawei Watch GT2e. Subscribe for more videos and see you next time.